Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making pancakes. I really like pancakes. They're really good and a really easy recipe. So start by cracking your eggs and put them in the bowl. Wait, I forgot to say the ingredients. Yes, you're right. So firstly we have 2 eggs, milk, I think like 1 cup, 2 spoons of sugar, chia seeds, and flour. So you start by cracking your eggs and put them in the bowl. I don't like cracking eggs. Yay! Now you can add your milk and add your flour. Wait, flour. Sugar, chia seeds. Yeah, really stuck. And then you can mix. Mix really well. I really like pancakes. They're really good. Do you like pancakes? Mix really well so everything can be beaten up. So after this, we're going to add our flour and then we could cook them. And mix really well. Make sure you beat everything up to have a smooth paste. Oh wow, it's getting really messy. The chia seeds look like chocolate. That's so pumpy. Chia seeds are really good and healthy. I have them in almost every single meal, maybe omelets. Yeah, that's one. We have them in omelets and maybe a couple more foods. I don't remember exactly because we have so many foods that we put chia seeds in, and they make them even better. So by adding this into your pancake, it will make it even better than a normal original pancake, which tastes also really good. Now we are ready to put them in the pan. Going to cook them. We're going to put the pancakes here. We're going to put 2 bunches because my spoon is really small. And we're going to try. That's enough. Now we have the pancakes. They smell so good. We're going to add honey. If I can open it. There we go. Not too much. And before I eat, I'd like you to go and like and subscribe, which you can find a red button down there. And now I'm going to eat it. It's really good. So this pancake is really good and sweet, so I recommend trying it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Yeah, I put my hand in. Hello friends, welcome back to my Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making pancakes. I really like pancakes. They are really good, really easy recipe. So let's start. We start by cracking your eggs. We're doing it for real.